Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Oliver Smith.
Well, temperatures are in the 30s and 40s east of the Cascades, and west of the Cascades we have ranging from 40s, 50s, and 60s overall. It is 48 right now in Brookings, 55 in Grants Pass, 56 in Medford, but already 60 degrees in Mount Shasta City, and it's a cool 39 degrees in Chemult. However, it is much warmer than it was this time yesterday. In fact, probably about 5 to 8 degrees warmer overall. Now it is cooler out towards Lakeview, 9 degrees cooler compared to 24 hours ago, but warmer for Klamath Falls, Montague, and Mount Shasta City. So you'll notice that heading out the door for today. As a weak system offshore, that'll actually shave off a couple of degrees for tomorrow, but other than that, it's not going to do a whole lot to our weather pattern. There's a bigger system way off towards the left-hand side of your screen. That's a bigger system that's going to finally do something to our weather coming up here in a couple of days. We'll talk about that more in a little bit. But temperatures, kids heading off to school right around the low 60s for this morning. Pretty pleasant overall. And then once they come home, it's going to be right around 90 degrees. So it's going to be another hot afternoon. Now, if thinking about taking lunch outdoors or maybe heading dinner also as well outdoors, pretty much into the low 80s by lunchtime, dinner time right around 90 degrees. So again, another pretty hot day overall. Now, our stormcast showing that weak system offshore, it was increasing the clouds up to the north, but they should be burning off as we go throughout the afternoon hours. But other than that, we're going to be looking at kind of the breezy conditions that we usually see day in and day out throughout the day today. Now, this particular model wants to indicate some low clouds, maybe out towards the Illinois Valley, but I don't think it'll be here into the Rogue Valley all that much. But otherwise, temperatures will be a little bit cooler for tomorrow. We'll start noticing a little bit more of a cooling trend by the end of the week. Not really a whole lot of clouds until we get towards Thursday night when we finally start seeing the leading edge of our next system moving into the area. But for today, again, it's going to be another hot day today, 90 degrees, pretty much what we were yesterday. Afternoon breezes kicking in, maybe gusting upwards of about 20 miles an hour. 65 is what we're looking for Brookings for today, 87 for Grants Pass. Still pretty pleasant up towards Crater Lake at 66 and 85 out towards Klamath Falls. Tonight, a little bit warmer throughout the region, upper 40s, low 50s east of the Cascades. Actually, a little bit cooler throughout the region. 54 is the forecast, though, for Medford, 53 for Wairika. So the system will move through our region for tomorrow. That'll cool us off just a little bit. And temperatures don't really change all that much until we get towards Friday, when big area of low pressure finally moves into the region. That'll cool us off. That'll also provide at least the possibility of some rain in some parts, and it also kind of looks to linger into early next week. So the forecast for the Oregon coast will start warming up a little bit more for the next couple of days. Not so much for today, though, but eventually we get back into the 60s with some rain over Sunday and Monday. Northern California right around 90 for the next couple of days. We cool off quite a bit, almost 20 degrees by the time we get to the weekend, and then overnight lows drop into the 40s by then. Klamath Basin, 80s and 40s for highs and lows for the next couple of days, eventually dropping into the 60s and 30s for highs and lows over the weekend. And for the Cascades, we'll be looking at low 70s pretty much for the next couple of days, overnight lows into the 40s. We finally get some rain over by Sunday and Monday. But the Rogue Valley, again, it's going to be pretty warm for the next couple of days. We don't really start to cool off until Friday.